Hello learners. So in last video we have heard about Terraform local execute provisioners. Today we will be looking on remote execute provisioners. Right? If you search for Terraform provisioners only. Okay, this is chat GPT. Okay, so we have already gone through this file and local execute. Now we are looking for remote execute provisioner. Click on this. So what does this remote execute provisioner tell us? That if you want to invoke some script or if you want to do some commands or some stuff inside at your remote machine or remote resource. So for that thing, we can use this remote execute provisioner, right? Also, just make just one thing you need to check this, that as it's going to be done at the remote side, we need to provide connection also, right? If I show you my old video, if you check my old video, you will check I have commented this out, right? This connection block has been commented out because this provisioner, local provisioner, which is used, actually this was going to be used only locally. That's why we have just comment out this connection block, because we don't need that. But now we are going to use this connection also because we are need to do our required stuff in the remote execution, means remote directory. So for remote directory we need to provide some connection also, right? So let's do one thing. Let's again create a new block, means we will be using this file provisioner again this time, and connections also uh, along with that, right? So, and I'm removing this local provisioner this time. Let me remove this local provisioner, right? And also we don't want to define this connection again and again for each provisioner. So we will be taking this connection, this provisioner as this connection as common provisioner, means common thing, like this way. If you check this, see, provision, we can define multiple provisioner like this way. And for this, we need a common connection, right? So let me do one thing. Let me just copy this connection, right? And we're going to paste it here. Connection is there, and going to remove this from here. Connection. Yeah, connection is done, right? Apart from that, connection is done. Now we need to provide provisioner also, right? Second provisioner, which is this. You can provide this puppet apply, means if you want to done any command, this puppet command at the remote side, so you can use this way, or you can use this. We want to provide some permission, right? So let me copy this. Okay, and we're going to paste it here this way. And in remote side, actually we are copying this test file in temp/test.txt, right? So we will be providing this test.txt here file, and we would be providing full permission for checking purpose. Let me remove this. It's not required this time. Okay, this way. So what does this script will do? It will create a resource, all required permissions, all securities, and after that it will copy this test.txt at the location temp.txt, and this provisional remote execute, it will provide this command. It will run this command chmod 777 all permission to temp.txt file, right? Okay, let me close this also because it's not close. Okay, right, this thing will work fine. Okay, let me run this Terraform plan, see if its error comes or not. Okay, it's fine now. So we can run Terraform apply. Yes, fine. Now this will again create a new instance with the required key. Now it's copying this deploy key at the location with the security group creation required things which we have already used inside this main.tf, right? You can also check my old videos if you want to check how this all resource security groups keys instances are created, right? If I check there inside this, maybe I refresh this? Okay, it's here. Instance is created, right? We will be taking login into this instance with 3112 this public IP. We will take login, right? It's done, right? If you check one thing, remote, it's trying to, this remote execute provisioner is there, remote execute, and it's trying to access this 3110209.184. This is our IP. 3110209.184. It's a public IP, so automatically we know that it will take only public IP only. So here is Ubuntu user. This is false private key. They had used private key, and now they have connected. They have done its required work, right? So this is our key SSH-I ID underscore RSA. It's a Ubuntu machine, so it will be Ubuntu. What happened? Ubuntu at the rate. Now let's paste this. Yes, and yeah, it's fine. Let me go to /10. Yes, a text.txt is already there, right? And if we check the permission, it's 777, right? So what this happens right now, remote directory has been copied to our newly created instance and required permission already given, right? Hi, my name is XYZ. If you check on the local directory, same would be there, test.txt. Hi, my name is XYZ, right? So this way you can use your multiple provisioners inside your Terraform, right? So thank you guys. That's all for this video. Bye.